Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about this lovely humidifier that I've been using for quite some time now. It can be used for a great night light and a great decoration for your bedroom. So if you guys want to know more, please stay tuned. In the box, there is a cable. This one I've been using it for quite a while now and I really love it. It is very cute and there is a small chamber where you can put water in it. So you add the water. And make sure it's really secure. And you're gonna plug the cable from the back. And there are different ways you can use this humidifier. You can plug it into a charger, or if you have a laptop, you can just plug it in your laptop or in your car. As you guys can see, I just plug it in my laptop. It is very quiet and very colorful. I really like the way the light changes all the time. Makes it very pretty. I keep it in my car, in my bedroom. It's very beautiful. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.